Bought these shelves at Walmart, these plastic ones with tubing to put it together. But I tell you, you need a block of wood and a hammer to put these together right. These tubes goes in these holes, but if you do it by hand, they're not going to seat well, and the shelves are going to end up crooked as you go up. Starting the first post, put my block of wood on top of it and hit it with this hammer. After hammering it down, turn it over, put your finger inside to make sure it's down all the way. And the next shelf to be assembled, make sure you got all 4 posts in the holes. Now you can hammer those down. Use that block of wood to hit it with a hammer to get this down seated right. Now I can finish with the other shelves. Inserted the other posts using the block of wood and a hammer again, and this time you will feel when they seat. When you hammer down the next shelf, go from this corner to this corner, back here. That way it'll go down even. There it is finished. Using a block of wood and a hammer, it's nice and even, straight, level.